Okay, it is Tuesday morning, 12:09 a.m. Pacific Time, Tuesday, March 19th, 12:09 a.m. Pacific Time. I am short crude at 94.16. Now looking at this chart, you might go, what the heck? That's not our trade setup. How in the world did you get short crude at 94.16? Well, it's outside the scope of this video to really go into that. That's not a very good answer. And if we were in a live trading environment, I wouldn't be in this trade, and I certainly wouldn't trade something and then explain to you why the heck I was trading it. But we're in it. Let's trade it, and then maybe I'll explain it in the partners meeting. So 94.16 minus or plus 8, no, minus 8. 8 plus 16 and 8, 24. 94.24. That needs to be my stop loss. Okay. I'm in at 16, 8 ticks. My stop loss is 94.24. This is the low of the day, or low of the session. So I'm going to let it drop a bit. I'm going to get my stop to break even plus a tick. 214 contracts on the bid, 181 on the ask. Conventional wisdom says because there's more on the bid, price is going to rise. Our unconventional wisdom says price is going to fall. Got bearish divergence. Now it's very late at night. I need to be in bed. I've got to be up early tomorrow. I'm only going to spend a few minutes with this trade. If it doesn't get cooking in our direction, we'll just scratch out with break even plus a couple ticks. So we can draw it better than that. A 50% retracement right there. Nice leg down, 50% retracement. I'm serious, 5 more minutes and I'm going to just scratch out. Looked like we were going to have some nice activity here. $220 on the bid, 191 on the ask. Suddenly we got 257 on the bid. Bid went up, price dropped a couple ticks. It's supposed to go the other way, remember? we got 2 ticks in the trade. We get below this trend line, I'm going to add a second contract. We take out this swing low, I'm going to add a third. High of this candle is 94.17. The low is 94.14. So we would need to see 93.12 to give us a new candle. And then the next candle would get us below the trend line, add a contract, get below this at 94.05. I would add a third contract. And what's my game? About 93.96. Right here. That's my target. I even bump it up a couple pennies. Go 93.98. Okay. So that'll be my target for all 3 contracts if this comes together. $252 on the bid, 178 on the ask. It's 12:17 a.m. Pacific time. I'll pause this, and as we get a new candle and start to move our way down, I'll turn the video back on. This way the whole, it doesn't, well, here, maybe we're going to get her close. Maybe it's going to pick up. Hang on. There we go. Alright. Alright, we're below the trend line. Okay, this thing opened at 94.13. The high is 94.13. 94.09 will be the bottom. 94.08. Okay, I'm going to sell one at 94.08 on a stop. I'm going to sell another one at 94.05 on a stop. Okay. My target for all 3 of them is going to be down here. 93.98. Got 4 ticks in our trade. So far we're short 1 contract at 94.16. If the market continues to drop, we'll be short a second one at 94.08. We'll be short a third one at 94.05. And that's where we'll hope the momentum kicks in. Gives us another 6 pennies in the trade. And then we'll take them all off. The green line hooking over here, getting ready to make its run down. We need from here to here. We need that to take price from here to here. 269 on the bid, 180 on the ask. As long as they keep piling them on the bid here, this trade should continue to move in our direction. As soon as we get triggered into this third contract at 94.05, we want all of our stops to be at break even as quickly as possible. Let's just watch and see how this plays out. Still got to go another couple pennies to get our 94.08 entry, and then 94.05. And 94.05, that's a break at the low of the day. Okay. The low of the session. Because we're night trading. Alright, keep piling them on over here. We had 300 a moment ago. 284 on the bid, 179 on the ask. If they keep piling them on the bid, price will continue to come down. Come on. Pile them on. Now you're scratching your head, you're going, wait a minute, it's supposed to work the opposite of that. I know. Okay, we need the green line to start working its way down here to the cycle. Not the cycle working its way up to the green line. Okay, we just pushed right back up to the trend line. Testing, see, quick drop. 264 to 157. Let's go, come on. Let's get the second contract on at 94.08. Now, this should go boop, boop. And all we got to do is just manage it. Even though we're staggering our entries, our stops are still being placed. And our targets are being placed. Okay, there we go. We got our 94.08. So now we're short two contracts at an average price of 94.12. Okay, 94.12. It's our average entry. And we're still looking to add one more contract short at 94.05. Right here. Okay, see how the cycle working its way down. I'm sorry, the green line working its way down in the cycle. Cycle's laying flat. I want it to do that. It's blue, but as long as it lays flat, I'm okay. The thing is, the green line doesn't have that far to travel, and I need price to move. So I need to see some more contracts thrown on the bid side over here. 270, 280 to 173. We can get this number back up over 300. This thing will come down. Alright guys, we're 16 minutes into this, 12:25 p.m. Pacific time. I had high hopes, and I mean, we're going to take profit out of this thing. I just hoped for more. Anytime you can pick up 6 ticks in the middle of the night, that's not bad. If we could just pick up this third one, and even just, you know, I'll wait it out a couple more minutes. 289 on the bid, 158 on the ask. I want to see this go back over 300. If it goes back over 300, we can at least get triggered in down here. If we can see 12 ticks up here, we got 8 now. If we can see 12, you know what? I'll hit exit at market and cancel. That should get us out with 10. And as we know, 10 ticks is it's a paycheck, right? Right. Well, if you're not a partner, you haven't been hanging around, maybe you don't know that 10 ticks is a paycheck, but it is. Come take the free trial and we'll try to explain to you how we see that, how we view that, how we teach that, and how you can do that. I don't know what possessed me to get involved in this thing this late at night. They could just push this number back over 300. Come on. Oh, we got our third one. Alright, we got 3 contracts now. We're short 3 contracts at an average price of 94.10. We got 14 ticks on the board. Okay. Once we take out this 94.05 level here, I'm just gonna get out because I really do want to go to bed. And this is not a high quality video. I haven't been upbeat and cracking wise. Now see how the green line has worked its way all the way down to the cycle. Now the cycle's flat the way I want it. It's turned red. That's positive for this trade. But once this green line hooks up with this cycle, I mean, then we're getting close to the point where it starts to want to turn back up. And so we got 14 ticks. What do you think? You want to bank them? We can hit exit at market and cancel. I think the worst that'll happen is we get out with 11. Oh, okay, that is the worst that would happen if we were still at 14 here, but now we're at 11. So now if I bail, we'll get out at 8. I don't want to do that. Let's let it go. Let's just let it fall. We still got a little further to go. Although this bid side is weakening, and I need the bid side to be strong to pull price down. If you say that is totally contrary to conventional wisdom and I disagree, well, that's okay, and it does. But you can come hang out for a week for free with us, no credit card required, and we'll show you examples of why we think that and believe that, and then you can trade it however you want. Okay, we got 290, 164. Come on. You know what? I said if it went back to 14, we'd take 11, right? Exit at market and cancel. Boom. And we got our 11 ticks. We're out of the trade. I'm going to bed, and I hope to see you tomorrow morning in the live trading room.